Where to go, huh?
Yeah, yo, I was scared to get a taco up there. The other joint, boy, had me on the corner with some leaves. Oh, man. That's what's up, though. You like this better? Yeah.
It's like right now, all this stuff are leaking water.
Yeah.
Something's getting wet for sure over there.
This shit out. Yeah. Tune in. Do you wanna go with me? To a place far from here, a getaway. Still, yeah, come and vibe with me. Yeah, come and slide with me. Yeah, come and glide with me. Come and touch the skies with me. Yes, it's been a minute, but my flow like water. Take a trip with me down to Florida, up to Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, trail of a slaughter. Lord have mercy on my sons and my daughters. The schools ain't teaching, the pastor ain't preaching. I switch some things up, now they call me a demon. Turn the dial up, now vibe high frequent. Used to think about a pussy, now I think about it thinking. Schools ain't teaching, the pastor ain't preaching. I switch some things up, now they call me a demon. Turn the dial up, now vibe high frequent. Used to think about a pussy, now I think about it thinking. Do you wanna go with me? To a place far from here, a getaway. Do you wanna go with me? To a place far from here, a getaway. No stopping. DJ Rusticles. Even if it's
fucking air, like they got my inside feeling funny and shit, man.
Look, open that window.
Damn.
Break it down real low. Go ahead, break it down real low. Go ahead, break it down real low. Stop playing. It's so damn heavy.
Ready?
YouTube page, man.
Yeah. KV's TV. Damn, y'all. Think got my insides feeling crazy than the motherfucker. Yo, he fucked me up with that.
Audio.
Okay.
Yeah. See.
Yo, it's your boy KV's, man. I'm down in Wilmington, Delaware with my boy EDGAR. We got a new spot on the north side. This is the north side, right? What this considered? West. My bad. I'm a Jersey boy. I'm a Jersey boy. We on the west side. But yeah, man, he's gonna give you a quick lit rundown, you know what I'm saying, of his journey in the car audio and, you know, his shop. This is the grand opening, you know what I'm saying. He been doing it, but he got a new shop. And this is the grand opening. It's my boy EDGAR. He gonna jump on and let y'all know about ASBECK car audio.
Damn, already?
Damn, that shit loud.
Yeah, it was loud. So I started in my backyard about, I think, 2014, 2015.
Damn.
And I was, I don't know, I just came, the guy that owns this truck, I met him on Craigslist, and then I did music for a long time. And then he's like, hey, you know, do you know how to do car audio and stuff like that? So
This truck right here?
Yeah, him, yeah.
Okay. So this, what, 10 years ago or something? Like?
No, I met him in 2015. So it's like 8 years.
Yeah.
So we met, and then he like, we like click, and then I built his car, and I started building more cars, and then I started building more people.
Yeah.
And I used to have my backyard, it was full of cars. Then
Yeah.
It was like, I live in the city, and the alleyway, I had like 4 or 5 cars.
Yeah.
And then people just drive by, there was like a bunch of traffic back there. So I moved to another spot that, like a little garage.
Yeah.
And then now, as you get bigger and,
Right.
I just opened my new spot. So.
And the workload get a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
More customers, more people and stuff like that.
So now, I sell a lot of high-end brands.
Right.
I still do the custom work. Everything is done by me. And yeah, man, that's,
I know out top, I see PRV everywhere. I see you got that in there out top, the PRV stuff.
I have PRV, McLaren, DS18. I just picked up Wet Sounds. It's a good speakers for good brand for like marine and stuff like that. So it's all good. We're picking up more brands. I just became a dealer for Skyhawk car audio.
Oh, okay, for the wiring and all that stuff like that.
Gadgets, yeah.
Word. That's a good wire.
Yeah. So
hell yeah.
Man, everything's going good, man. And then we just, it's up from now. So
Yeah. But tell them a little bit more about another one of your expertise. Like, you do everything in cardio, but I know I done been all kind of places, and they were like, oh, EDGAR did my box. Or I see on Facebook or Instagram, the boxes, like the sub boxes. Like,
yeah, I do like.
How you?
Well, I'm a full-time carpenter.
Oh, there it is.
So
there it is. Yeah.
So when I got to the music, I got to the music first, the car out and stuff. But when I got, I was like, well, it's easy now because I'm already a carpenter, so I can do the fucking sorry, I can do the you know, the boxes, all the
Yeah.
It became simple from, you know.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, I do crazy box. I can do from like a little single 10-inch box to a wall. You know
Right.
Door panels and, you know.
You do seal boxes,
seal
ported boxes.
Plexiglass.
What's the other one? What the other one called? I be seeing you like old boy box. Is that considered like a?
No,
that's 4th order, 6th order.
That's just
band pad. That's a regular.
That's a regular box. It has plexiglass in the back, so you can see it.
It's ported or sealed?
It's a ported box. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Like this one is a flat wall, so everything is, you know, the speakers and the port is in the front, just like this car. But yeah, I do it all. I do, you know, 6-order boxes, 4-order boxes, band pads, plexiglass. Like I say, I do for like a little 10-inch box up to like 18.
Word. And
everything in between.
I know any of the new subscribers and the people that already been subscribing, or you know, just check my old videos and you'll see what, like, I'm over by JJ Customs, and this is the guy when JJ Customs said he get to build the sub boxes. You know, these guys here, they go hand in hand. You know, they work together. Ain't no stuff like that. They both go together.
Yeah. He was just here earlier.
Word.
He hang out with me, and we were, you know, talking, and you know, same thing. Me and him, you know, we met a long time ago, and you know, we clicked. It was just
right.
He does door panels and custom. And I say, hey, you know, I do the box and installs, and I say, hey, you know, I need some doors. Or he's like, you know, he's doing big. You know, a big bill, and he needs a box, or you know. Right.
Like
so you know, we help each other out. So that's the only way you can grow, you know.
And the Blue Caprice from Virginia, OG Ron. They had the 3 Scar 12s in it. That box is also built by EDGAR. So you go on my channel and go check out. I think he called it Bubblicious Sky Blue. But that car is actually in the paint shop right now. And down the line, that's gonna be on the channel. Y'all see the finished product of that. OG Ron down in Virginia holding it down. Like I said, he got the 312 box built by EDGAR. The box sound perfect. It's beating hard. It looked good. It just completed the whole setup. Josh did the rest of the work, and they both went together like peanut butter and jelly. They both made it go together.
Just like that.
Word.
Yeah,
but yeah, man, I'm with the man himself, Mr. EDGAR. Hooking up all the tight installs, real clean installs, man. I ain't even gonna lie, real clean installs, man. Jump in the comments. Y'all wanna get some work with them, jump in the comments. I'll shoot the number. I'll shoot y'all, shoot them your Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Or your Instagram, whichever you wanna hit them with, your number.
My Instagram is ASBECK_car audio. No, ASBECK_custom_car audio.
Word.
That's on Instagram. And on Facebook it's just ASBECK Edgar Morales.
Word. Yeah, man. It's a warm day out here. Don't ever believe it that it don't get hot up north, cause it do.
Hot as shit.
Super hot today, boy.
I'm hot.
Word. I'm telling you. But yeah, man, KevV's TV. Y'all jump in the comments, hit the subscribe button, man. I got more coming, man, y'all. Peace.